Hi, I'm Slawek with idrinkcoffee.com. Today I'm proud to present for the first time in North America the Profitec 700 dual boiler. Profitec is a company out of Heidelberg, Germany, which is new to the North American market. But their entry is very impressive. Their attention to detail is second to none. The Profitec 700 features an E61 group head, no burn, steam and hot water wands, a beautiful stainless steel design. All of this is fairly standard amongst machines in this class. However, it also has a PID that controls both the steam and espresso boilers. The steam and espresso boilers are made of stainless steel, which is a more rugged material than copper, less prone to oxidization or corrosion. And the PID also acts as a shot timer, so when the pump is turned on, it actually times your shots, which is the first time we've seen this feature in this class. And it really is a very desirable and much sought after feature in this machine. In order to demonstrate the Profitec, I'm going to be making two rounds of drinks. First, I'm going to make a double espresso, then I'm going to make a milk-based drink to show you how this thing works. So alongside the Profitec, I'm using the Quamar M80E grinder, which is also a fairly new offering in our lineup. The M80E is a great value for the money. It's an electronic grinder, which means it has time dosing, and it has 64mm burrs, so it has a very nice and fast grinding capability. So I'm going to press my button for the double, and you can see it's a nice, fast, and fluffy grind. So for my first set of drinks, I'm going to make a double espresso. And watch how when I turn the pump on, the PID is going to begin acting as a shot timer. So it's going to be a count, well, it's going to count up in seconds. We typically recommend a 25 to 30 second extraction to get 30 milliliters for a single or 60 milliliters for a double. I'm going to stop it right there because my shot was beginning to blonde, and that's a 28-second extraction with a very nice crema. One of the many reasons people want to get a dual boiler machine is because you can froth milk and draw espresso at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do. Although in practicality it's very rare that you would do this. First you would make your espresso and then you would froth your milk, but you can do both functions at once if you'd like. And I'm just going to do that right now with these two cappuccinos. So I'm going to turn on my pump, and I'm frothing my milk. The reason why I said many people don't do this in practicality is because I'm going to have to reach over here onto the other side in order to turn off the pump. I'm going to do that right now, and I'm just going to finish frothing my milk. Just going to wipe my tip and then purge the steam, or purge the steam wand. And then I'm going to add my milk. One. And two. So the Profitec 700 is a very full-featured machine, a machine that we here at I Drink Coffee are very excited about. The build quality has to be seen in order to be believed. It really is that impressive. If you have any questions about the Profitec or any one of our products, the Quamar, the S-Pro pitcher I was using, the Concept Art tamper or tamping stand I was using, please feel free to contact myself, any one of my colleagues. We're always very happy to help. Here's to good times and good brews.